activity is number recognition. Which number is this, Vinayak? Okay, clap for Vinayak. Ready? Okay, start. Which number is this? 3. Number 3. Clap for we. 3. Very good. Start. Which number is this, Garvi? Number 4. Clap for Garvi. Put it down. Which number is this, Vanika? Very good. Clap for Vanika. Put it down. Remember? Start. Very good. Clap for Abhinandan. Put it down. Put it down. Take your seat. Take your seat. Dash. Ready. Let's start. Which number is this, Dash? 5. This is number? Well done. Clap for Dash. Put it down.